Does your Windows PC show that low disk space error whenever you boot up? It's super common, especially on older PCs. Today, I'm going to show you some easy ways to fix that and free up space on your computer. Let's dive right in. Run Disk Cleanup Tool. Disk Cleanup Tool is a built-in utility designed to free up space on your hard drive by removing unnecessary files. It helps improve system performance by cleaning out temporary files, system cache, recycle bin contents, and other data that can accumulate over time. To run the Disk Cleanup Tool, follow these steps. Type Disk Cleanup in the search bar. Select C drive from the drop-down menu and hit OK. Check all the available options from the Disk Cleanup Tool. Click on Clean Up System Files. It will add system files, such as Windows Update, Microsoft Defender, System Error, mini-dump files, etc., that can be removed to save space on your PC. Click OK. Turn on Storage Sense. Storage Sense is a feature unique to Windows 10 and 11 that helps Windows periodically delete temporary files, recycle bin items, and downloaded files long left unassessed in the download folder. Users can configure its settings to free up disk space and avoid low disk space errors. To enable Storage Sense, press Windows and I to open the Settings app. Go to System and then select Storage. Find the Storage Sense toggle and turn it on. Click on Configure Storage Sense or Run it now. Under Run Storage Sense, choose how frequently Storage Sense should run its disk cleanup feature. Under the Temporary Files section, choose how often you want Storage Sense to delete temporary files. If you want to run Storage Sense immediately, then click on Clean Now under the Free Up Space Now section. Delete System Restore Points. System Restore Points are snapshots of your system files, installed applications, Windows registry, and system settings at a specific time. It allows you to revert your system to the previous state in case something goes wrong, like a software installation failure or system update issue. These restore points accumulates over time to take up a significant amount of disk space. To delete system restore points, press Windows and R button together to open the Run dialog box. Type sysdm.cpl and press Enter to open the System Properties window. Go to the System Protection tab. Under the Protection Settings section, select C drive, then click on Configure. Then delete all restore points for this drive. You can also save space by managing space allocated for restore points by adjusting this slider. Disable Hibernation. Whenever you hibernate your PC, it creates a snapshot of your open documents, running programs, etc., and saves it in your system drive. This stored hibernation file can consume a considerable amount of space. To fix low disk space, you need to disable hibernation on your PC. In the Windows search bar, search CMD. Then select Run as Administrator. In the command prompt window, type this command and press Enter. You can see Hibernate option has been removed from the power options. Enable NTFS Compression. NTFS Compression is a special Windows file compression feature that allows users to compress files, folders, subfolders, or entire drives and save them within the Windows file system without creating a separate compressed file like .zip or .rar. Right-click on the file or folder you want to compress. Select Properties from the context menu. In the General tab, click on the Advanced button. Check the box next to Compress Contents to save disk space. Then click on Apply. Click OK to apply the changes. Disable Windows Search Indexing. Windows Search Indexing helps your system to record all file names, content within files, metadata, etc. So, when you search something, the system quickly references this index rather than scanning your entire hard drive, making the search experience on your Windows smooth. But with time, these indexes accumulates in your storage. To disable it, type services.msc in the search box. Then press Enter. It will open the Services Manager. Then scroll down and locate Windows Search in the list of services. Right-click on Windows Search and select Properties. In the Windows Search Properties window, click on the Stop button to halt the service. Find the Startup Type drop-down menu in the same Properties window and select Disabled. Click Apply and then OK to save your changes. Restart your PC to ensure that the changes take effect. You can also free up your disk space by deleting large files such as videos, high-resolution images, and software installation files. If you want to know more, I have written a detailed blog on this topic. Link is provided in the description below and the above I button. Hope you liked this video. If you want to watch more videos related to Windows tips and tricks, then subscribe to this channel. Till then, happy troubleshooting.